So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to download fonts for Pixellab. If you watch this video till the end, you will get a special bonus on how to add those fonts in Pixellab. Okay, so let's get start our video. So firstly, open a browser in your mobile phone and search for a term called dafonts, or you can search a link called dafonts.com. Just click on the first link and here you can see the plenty of fonts will be appear, and these are all free to use. Okay, so if you need to download any font, just click on download button, then the font will be downloaded. I just search for a specific font here, so go to search and I will type Roboto and click on search. Okay, so here are my font. I just zoom it out, and to download just click on download button here, then the font will be downloaded. This zip file will be compressed, so we need to extract this zip file, and boom, these are all fonts that we just downloaded right now, right? So I just promised you to give a special bonus, right? Open Pixellab and go to fonts, and here you can see my fonts. Just click on this icon here and locate the folder where you can download your fonts. I just locate mine and select those fonts just you want to add. Okay, I just selecting all these fonts, and after this click on add selected. Now the fonts will be added. So this is how you can download and add fonts for your Pixellab application. Okay, so thank you for watching.